Today we are going to look into a topic called letter writing. So what is a letter and why do we write a letter? We write a letter to communicate, and we don't communicate the same way with everyone. So with each people we communicate in many ways. Based on that, there is a classification made for letter writing. We have two types of letter. One is formal letter and the other one is informal letter. The formal letter is a professional. It is written for the purpose of professional writing, an official letter, or in order to raise a complaint or asking permission, asking a leave application. All those things are formal letter, whereas informal letter means it is non-professional and to which you will be writing for your dear and near ones. For example, like to your relatives, friends, and who is close to you. Format for both formal and informal letter. Here, this is the format of writing a formal letter. So, the first part we'll start with the sender's address, which means our address, like who is the person who is writing the letter. After which it is followed by the date, and then it is the recipient's address to whom we are writing the letter, like their contact information and their address. After which we have our salutation, which should be in a formal way. Then after that it is followed by the subject. In subject we will be discussing the purpose of writing this application. Why do we write this letter? On what purpose we write it. Then the body of the letter. The body of the letter, it will have the introduction of the person, and it provides more information about the content, like specific details on what is the problem and what is the what is required, and your kind way of requesting them to do it, like that. It is a request which will be given in the body of the letter. After which you have your complimentary clause such as thank you, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours sincerely, all those complimentary clauses. After which you will have your signature. This is the format for the formal letter. Sender's address, date, a recipient's address, the salutation which is followed by the subject, which is followed by the body of a letter, then complimentary clause and the signature. Then it is informal letter. So in informal letter, we'll start with address of the sender, like the person who is writing the letter, which is followed by the date, then the greetings. The greeting could be something which is very much informal, as you are writing it to your dear and near ones. Then the body of the letter. The body of the letter could be what is the purpose of writing, and all the personal informations, and the body could be also in the personal tone, in a very informal way. Then you have your complimentary clause, like with love, your affectionate, all those informal closing words, then which is followed by the name of a person. Thank you.